welcome to Peach Betty. My name is Morgan and this is my son,
Sullivan!
And today we are making... What are we making?
What are you making?
We are making an imagination pie.
Imagination pie?
Yeah! This recipe is from the Pillsbury Busy Lady Bake Off Recipes book. And this is from 1966.
Mommy, you put it in a bowl. We have flour.
We do.
And butter. And slip up in water. Now we have to break it.
We do have to break it.
Oh wait, here we go.
Here we go.
Mommy's breaking it.
I am. I gotta break up the butter.
We are making pie.
We are making pie. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
Got me.
Oh, together now.
All together, all together, all together, all together.
All together now. We did it. Okay, now we need to put it in the pan. Poke, 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 poke. Poke, 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 poke. High five. We gotta put it in the oven.
Bye.
Goodbye. Now we're gonna make our jello filling. We have lime jello.
Let's open it with the scissors.
Good idea. We do need some scissors. I'm going to snip, snip, snip. There's powdered jello. Listen, what do you hear?
The ketchup.
It's ready. Three? Yeah. Okay, that's good. Ooh, so green. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, stir it up.
We need some sprinkles.
And some frosting. Gonna open this up and make it nice and fluffy. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Smell. It smells so sweet. Scoop this out. Scoop it out. Whoa.
Oh, yummy!
Yeah. Mmm. Alright, let's add it to our mixer. Wow, look at it get all fluffy.
Very good. Let's try some.
You already tried some. Lucky Charms.
Are you ready for some sprinkles?
I am. Are you ready? Like you haven't had enough sugar already today. Let's dive in. I'm really excited to try this pie. Ready? Oh,
We had a
what's this?
can. Oh, what?
That's good. It tastes just like Lucky Charms. Great job. If you want to try this recipe, it is always in the description below our video. Go on our blog and I'll tell you more about our adventure today.
Bye.
So, we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye. Good pie dough. Sullivan. What are you doing?
I eat all of